Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of Quran.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قال يا إبليس ما لك ألا تكون مع الساجدين؟ قال لم أكن لأسجد لبشر خلقته من صلصال من حمأ مسنون. قال فاخرج منها فإنك رجيم وإن عليك اللعنة إلى يوم الدين. قال رب فأنظرني إلى يوم يبعثون. قال فإنك من المنظرين إلى يوم الوقت المعلوم. قال رب بما أغويتني لأزينن لهم في الأرض ولأغوينهم أجمعين إلا عبادك منهم المخلصين. قال هذا صراط علي مستقيم. إن عبادي ليس لك عليهم سلطان إلا من اتبعك من الغاوين. وإن جهنم لموعدهم أجمعين. لها 7 أبواب لكل باب منهم جزء مقسوم. إن المتقين في جنات وعيون. ادخلوها بسلام آمنين. ونزعنا ما في صدورهم من غل إخوانا على سرر متقابلين لا يمسهم فيها نصب وما هم منها بمخرجين. نبئ عبادي أني أنا الغفور الرحيم وأن عذابي هو العذاب الأليم. ونبئهم عن ضيف إبراهيم إذ دخلوا عليه فقالوا سلاما قال إنا منكم وجلون. قالوا لا توجل إنا نبشرك بغلام عليم. قال أبشرتموني على أن مسني الكبر فبم تبشرون؟ قالوا بشرناك بالحق فلا تكن من القانطين. قال ومن يقنط من رحمة ربه إلا الضالون. قال فما خطبكم أيها المرسلون؟ قالوا إنا أرسلنا إلى قوم مجرمين إلا آل لوط إنا لمنجوهم أجمعين إلا امرأته قدرنا إنها لمن الغابرين. فلما جاء آل لوط المرسلون قال إنكم قوم منكرون. قالوا بل جئناك بما كانوا فيه يمترون وأتيناك بالحق وإنا لصادقون فأسر بأهلك بقطع من الليل واتبع أدبارهم ولا يلتفت منكم أحد وامضوا حيث تؤمرون وقضينا إليه ذلك الأمر أن دابر هؤلاء مقطوع مصبحين وجاء أهل المدينة يستبشرون قال إن هؤلاء ضيفي فلا تفضحون واتقوا الله ولا تخزون قالوا أولم ننهك عن العالمين قال هؤلاء بناتي إن كنتم فاعلين لعمرك إنهم لفي سكرتهم يعمهون فأخذتهم الصيحة مشرقين فجعلنا عاليها سافلها وأمطرنا عليهم حجارة من سجيل إن في ذلك لآيات للمتوسمين وإنها لبسبيل مقيم إن في ذلك لآية للمؤمنين وإن كان أصحاب الأيكة لظالمين فانتقمنا منهم وإنهما لبإمام مبين ولقد كذب أصحاب الحجر المرسلين وآتيناهم آياتنا فكانوا عنها معرضين وكانوا ينحتون من الجبال بيوتا آمنين فأخذتهم الصيحة مصبحين فما أغنى عنهم ما كانوا يكسبون وما خلقنا السماوات والأرض وما بينهما إلا بالحق وإن الساعة لآتية فاصفح الصفح الجميل إن ربك هو الخلاق العليم ولقد آتيناك 7 من المثاني والقرآن العظيم لا تمدن عينيك إلى ما متعنا به أزواجا منهم ولا تحزن عليهم واخفض جناحك للمؤمنين وقل إني أنا النذير المبين كما أنزلنا على المقتسمين الذين جعلوا القرآن عضين فوربك لنسألنهم أجمعين عما كانوا يعملون فاصدع بما تؤمر وأعرض عن المشركين إنا كفيناك المستهزئين الذين يجعلون مع الله إلها آخر فسوف يعلمون ولقد نعلم إنك يضيق صدرك بما يقولون فسبح بحمد ربك وكن من الساجدين واعبد ربك حتى يأتيك اليقين.
In the name of Allah, the absolutely merciful, the especially merciful. Allah said, O Satan, what is your reason for not being among the prostrators? Satan said, I am not the one to prostrate myself to a human being whom you created from sounding clay of altered black smooth mud. Allah said, Then get out from here, for verily you are outcast and cursed. And verily the curse shall be upon you till the day of recompense. Satan said, O my Lord, give me then respite till the day they will be resurrected. Allah said, Then verily you are of those reprieved, till the day of the time appointed. Satan said, O my Lord, because you misled me, I shall indeed adorn the path of error for them on the earth, and I shall mislead them all, except your chosen slaves among them. Allah said, This is the way which will lead straight to me. Certainly you shall have no authority over my slaves, except those who follow you of the deviators. And surely hell is the promised place for them all. It has 7 gates. For each of those gates is a class assigned. Truly those who fear and love Allah will be amidst gardens and water springs. It will be said to them, Enter therein in peace and security. And we shall remove from their breasts any sense of injury, so they will be like brothers facing each other on thrones. No sense of fatigue shall touch them, nor shall they ever be asked to leave. Declare, O Muhammad, unto my slaves, that truly I am the oft-forgiving, the most merciful, and that my punishment is indeed the most painful punishment. And inform them about the guests of Abraham, when they entered unto him and said, Peace. Abraham said, Indeed we are afraid of you. The angel said, Do not be afraid, we give you glad tidings of a boy possessing much knowledge and wisdom. Abraham said, Do you give me glad tidings of a son when old age has overtaken me? Of what then is your news? They said, We give you glad tidings in truth, so be not of those who despair. Abraham said, And who despairs of the mercy of his Lord, except those who are astray? He said, What then is the business on which you have come, O messengers? They said, We have been sent to a people who are criminals, except the family of Lot, all of whom we are surely going to save, except his wife, of whom we have decreed that she shall be of those who remain behind. Then when the messengers came unto the family of Lot, he said, Verily, you are people unknown to me. They said, Nay, we have come to you with that which they have been doubting, and we have brought to you the truth, and certainly we tell the truth. Then travel in a part of the night with your family, and you go behind them in the rear, and let no one amongst you look back, but go on to where you are ordered. And we made known this decree to him, that the root of those sinners was to be cut off in the early morning. And the inhabitants of the city came rejoicing. Lot said, Verily, these are my guests, so shame me not. And fear Allah, and do not disgrace me. They said, Did we not forbid you to entertain any of the people? Lot said, These are the daughters of my nation, if you must act. Verily, by your life, O Muhammad, in their wild intoxication they were wandering blindly. So the awful cry overtook them at the time of sunrise, and we turned them upside down and rained down on them stones of baked clay. Surely in this are signs for those who see. And verily they were situated on the high road. Surely therein is indeed a sign for the believers. And the dwellers in the wood were also wrongdoers. So we took vengeance on them. They are both on an open highway, plain to see. And verily the dwellers of the rocky tract denied the messengers. And we gave them our signs, but they were averse to them. And they used to hew out dwellings from the mountains secure. But the awful cry overtook them in the early morning, and all that which they used to earn availed them not. And we created not the heavens and the earth, and all that is between them, except with truth, and the hour is surely coming. So overlook their faults with gracious forgiveness. Verily, your Lord is the all-knowing Creator. And indeed we have bestowed upon you the 7 repeatedly recited verses, and the grand recital. Look not with your eyes ambitiously at what we have bestowed on certain classes of them, nor grieve over them, and lower your wings for the believers, and say, I am indeed a plain warner, as we have sent down on the dividers, who have made the Qur'an into parts. So by your Lord, O Muhammad, we shall certainly call all of them to account for all that they used to do. Therefore proclaim openly that which you are commanded, and turn away from the polytheists. Truly we will suffice you against the scoffers, who set up along with Allah another God. They will come to know. Indeed, we know that your breast is straitened at what they say. So glorify the praises of your Lord, and be of those who prostrate themselves, and worship your Lord until there comes unto you the certainty.